Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 Geolocation Currency Converter. Now this particular plugin converts the price of the products in runtime on your store according to the geographical location where the store site is accessed. This plugin displays the product price in multiple currencies according to the region, and the plugin will automatically detect the customer's geolocation and will display the converted price according to the country specific currency. So all in all, this particular plugin converts the price of your store's products as per the country location. Customers can see the price according to their location on the category page, product listing page and search page. The customers can view the latest price based on their region. The price of the products will be shown in the customer's supported currency. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the Shopware 6 Geolocation Currency Converter at the customer's end and at the admin's end as well. So before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the web store front end, and here according to my country access this website from one of the European countries there, and the price is according to my region there in euros, as you can see. And here you can see the particular tagline is there, converted price for your region, and the price value is also visible there. Now kindly note that the coloration of the particular label that you can see here and the price that is displayed in the converted currency can be configured from the plugins configuration settings, and you can set it up as per your own requirement. For now we have set the label color here as the red, and the price color is in green there, as you can see. Now this is the category page. So on the category page you can see the particular converted price for your region from where you have accessed or the particular site, and it displays the currencies according to the region from where you are accessing this particular website. Now for example, if I go ahead and I try and search for the ladies purse, or let me go to the ladies purse product page, here as well we can see on the product page as well the actual price was in US dollars, but the current converted price for your region is 443.68 euros there. Let me search it. So on the search page as well we'll be able to see the converted price there for the region, along with the price would be displayed to the customers there. So if I tap here on the show all search results, here you can see the converted price for your region is 443.68 euros. So this was the workflow of the Shopware 6 Geolocation Currency Converter at the customers end, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this plugin converts the price of the products in runtime on your store according to the geographical location from where the store site is accessed, and displays the product price in multiple currencies according to your region. The plugin basically automatically detects the customer's geolocation and displays the amount or displays the converted price according to the country specific currency there. So this was the workflow at the customers end. Now let me hop onto the admin backend panel and let me show you the rest of the workflow there. So for that I'll go to the Shopware 6 backend, and I'll be entering the username, password and tapping on the login button thereafter. After the successful installation of this particular plugin, what you need to do is to make the initial configuration settings. You need to navigate to settings and then extensions, and under that you will find the Geolocation Currency Converter option. Just tap on that, and here we have the general settings wherein we'll be able to set up the text color and the price text color as well. So this is the text color and this is the price color there. Alright, so for now we are set it as to red color. You can choose it to any other color as well. For example, let me set it to blue color, and let me set the price color to yellow, and let me tap here on the save button thereafter. The configuration has been saved. Now if I refresh the front end there, you can see the particular text color is converted into the blue color there, and the price has been changed, the price color has been changed to the yellow color there itself. So accordingly you can choose to display the particular color there for your text color, and for the price as well you can set the particular color for your price as per your own requirement. Just tap on the save button and the changes will reflect on the front end thereafter, as you can see right now on your screens there. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 geolocation currency converter, and I hope that this helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin converts the price of the products in runtime on your store according to the geographical location where the store site is accessed, and it automatically detects the customer's geolocation and displays the converted price according to the country specific currency there. So if you still have any questions, queries, or requirements regarding this particular plugin, that's the Shopware 6 geolocation currency converter, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.